And this is Jen.
Acting. So Jen right here is doing the acting, and I'm gonna play some sounds in the piano to actually recognize his act. So let's begin. Let me go there to my piano. Let's start.
Yeah.
So first,
Ready to go.
So first I'm doing a DJ thing, so he's just gonna dance to a song I.
Wait, I need to spray water.
Okay, so first I'm gonna do a dancing thing, slow, fast, medium, like that. So first slow. And stop. And just try to do heartbeat. Okay, now act like you're opening a squeaky door. Now act like you're marching. Act like you're taking a selfie of someone or a video of someone. And now, just do like a crazy noise. Now act like you're pouring water. And here you go. You want it? Okay, whatever. Do your acting like you're pouring water. And he's pouring out his head. Okay, now you now act like you're a hen. Okay. And now act like you're a lazy hen, like Now act like you're an owl.
Ooh. 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 Ooh.
Now act like you're a horse. Now you act like a cow. Wow. Now act like you're doing a DJ. Like this. And now act like, yeah, you're nonsense. No, yeah, this time go do it. Go. Now act like you're Hulk man. Okay, now act like you're, I don't know, act like what you like. Okay, now Jane's gonna do the pianoing. I taught him how to. And I'm gonna do the acting. Right, Jen?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
First,
Oh, you're gonna do the hooting.
No, from the beginning. I put it on sound effect to make it a little comfortable. So just do it from here and keep on moving, okay?
Now.
Oh yeah, heartbeat. Squeaky door. March. Taking a selfie or a video. I forgot what was that. And the next is pouring water. Oh yeah, hiccuping. That sounds so great. Pouring water.
Okay, next is again holding water.
Good.
done.
And then, okay, I have